If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell.
Sofa, cushion, television, remote, table, tea set, vase, lamp, floor lamp, carpet or rug, fan, telephone, window, curtains, picture, clock. I help my family. Listen and read. 1. I help my family in the morning. I make my bed. 2. I help my teacher. I tidy the classroom. 3. I help my family in the afternoon. I clean the house. 4. I help my family in the evening. I wash the dishes. Lesson 5A, Activities. Look, read, and color. 1. I make the bed in the morning. 2. I tidy, help the classroom at school. 3. I make, clean the house in the afternoon. 4. I tidy, wash the dishes in the evening. B. Connect with math. Look, count, and read. 10 children. Hannah's friends help. Morning, at school, afternoon, evening. 6 children help in the morning. 4 children help at school. 7 children help in the afternoon. 9 children help in the evening. Lesson 5B, Activities. Look, count, and complete. 10 children. Newer's friends help. Morning, afternoon, evening. At school. Children help in the evening. 5 children help at. 3 children help in the. Children help in the afternoon.